This video is about a country that is the fastest to fight climate change. And they achieved their UN climate action goals 10 years before the deadline. It's not America, the UK, or Australia. It's Pakistan! Pakistan is directly affected by climate change, floods, droughts, and melting glaciers. So they created a plan to fight back. They are protecting the forests they already have and planting billions of trees to create new ones. They are investing in clean energy, electric vehicles, and even green jobs. But what's amazing is they did not wait for 10 years to implement this. They did it now. Pakistan is the perfect example of a country that values the future of our planet. And that's good news worthy of sharing.